Welcome friends to the fourth video on numericals on source transformation. This particular numerical is from winter 16, asked for 6 marks, but it is same. So using source transformation, you have to convert the given circuit shown into a single voltage source. So just check the circuit. When you check the circuit, immediately you find that there is a star connection of 1, 1 and 0.5. So what is your first step? Convert the star into delta. While doing so, what is the equation involved? In general form, the delta element is say R12, then it is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R1 R2 upon R3 is the general formula. So now when you have to find out the element, delta element between 1 and 1, means this element, the equation involved is R in bracket 1 comma 1. It means you are finding the delta element between 1 and 1 of star. It is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 into 1 upon the third element, that is 0.5. So its answer is 4. Now when you have to find out the delta element between 1 and 0.5, the equation is again same, 1 plus 0.5 plus 1 into 0.5 upon third element, that is 1. So its answer is 2. Now you find that when we find the delta element between 1 and 0.5, it would be same for this 0.5 and 1. So the value of that delta element is same as that is 2 ohm. So now replace this star connection into the delta connection. So please check this. Now apply step number 2. What is that step number 2? In delta element, this 4 ohm branch is short circuited by the dead element. So it means what? This 4 ohm branch gets short circuited, hence the 4 ohm branch becomes the dummy element. It becomes what? The dummy element. Okay, so this is what from step 2. So now what we get? Step number 3. Due to the dummy element removal, we are getting this particular circuit. Just check this 5 ampere 2 ohm. Now it is connected in parallel. It is in parallel with 2 ohm. Okay. Now we have a voltage source. Okay. So let us apply next step. But let us check what we did in last step. That is step number 2. We have removed this 4 ohm dummy element. Okay. So now step number 3. Convert this voltage source of 10 volt 2 ohm into a current source. So this element we have to convert it into a current source. What is the equation involved? Current is equal to voltage upon resistance. So voltage is 10, resistance is 2, gives you 5 ampere. So when we find the current source, we have to find the internal resistance. That is same as the internal resistance of previous source. So in voltage source, the resistance is 2 ohm, right? So the circuit is this one. This is what the circuit conversion of voltage source to current source. Okay. Now what do you get in this particular circuit? I just repeat this next slide. Yes, what do you get in this particular circuit? You find that all the elements which are present between terminal A and B are parallel connected. Okay. So what you have to do now? Apply step number 4. Yes, convert parallel current sources into single current source. How many current sources are there? 3. 5 ampere and 10 ampere. So its equation gives you final value as 20 ampere. All the resistances are parallel connected. So their parallel combination is 0.353 ohms. So that you can calculate by using calculator. Okay. So what do you get in the next circuit? Yes, this is what the conversion of parallel current sources into single current source, where you are finding 20 ampere and 0.353 ohms internal resistance. So I just repeat that. Yes. Okay. So here you have this particular current source where you applied the step number 4 with the equations shown. Okay. Now step number 5, convert current source of 20 ampere and 0.353 ohms into a voltage source. So the equation which is involved is Ohm's law, V is equal to current into resistance, 20 into 0.353, gives you 7.06 volt, and the internal resistance is 0.353 ohms, which is same as the internal resistance of current source. So the next circuit is so this is the final circuit of voltage source, that is conversion from the given circuit into a voltage source. So that's all with the numerical solution. Have a nice day guys. Bye bye.